Hello, everybody. Uh, we're going to, this is part of a series of practice problems for the midterm for Math 55. This is problem number 2, and it's just like problem number 1. Very similar format, and maybe slightly less complicated. So we're going to go ahead and work this. We're going to solve for x. 7 times 8x minus 8 plus 1 is equal to negative 1x. And usually we don't put this 1 in here. We would just say negative x minus 1. So I think maybe because it's just a computer program that produces these, it's why we have that negative 1x. But just don't let it throw you. It's not the usual way we write it, but it's okay to write it. It's just redundant. All right, so I've got the problem written out over here. We're going to solve for x. And what we're going to do is distribute that 7 over the 8x and the negative 8 in the parentheses, okay? So this is sort of a PEMDAS related issue. We don't have like terms inside the parentheses, so we can't complete this subtraction operation, right? So we're going to go ahead and just start work the problem. We'll distribute the 7 over those two elements. 7 times 8x, 56x minus, so we got negative 8 times 7, so that's negative 56. Oops, I forgot my x. So 56x minus 56 plus 1 is equal to negative x minus 6. So I'm going to leave the 1 out because that's more normal. And now we're going to combine like terms in the next step. And we've got some like terms here, negative 56 and positive 1. So when you are combining two numbers, and combine, in this case, is addition or subtraction, when the signs are different, you're going to take the difference between the two numbers, which is 55. And then we're going to retain the sign of the number with the larger absolute value. So that's a negative 55 here. So 56x minus 55 is equal to negative x minus 6. And moving right along, I think this one will work out nicely. I think the first problem was a little bit harder. Change my color. So we're going to put all the x's on one side and all of the constants on the other side. So let's add 55 to both sides. So these are going to go away. Negative 55 and positive 55. Antimatter meets matter. And then here we've got 55 minus 6, which is 49, right? That's positive 49. And negative x here. And then we'll bring down the rest of the numbers. 56x is now equal to negative x plus 49. Okay. So next thing to do will be to move the x's. I guess before I change colors, let's put in my equal sign. Now I can change colors. So we're going to add an x to both sides. And these two go away, the x's cancel each other out, and 56x plus 1 more x will be 57x, and that's going to be equal to 49. And the next step, may not have enough colors for everyone. I'll try yellow. We're going to divide both sides by 57. And 57x divided by 57, the 57's cancel out, leaving x, 1x or x, and that's going to be equal to this fraction, 49 over 57. And 57 is not a number that divides easily by other numbers. 56 is okay, 58 would work. 57 is prime, so it's not going to get any smaller. So this is our final answer. And so in the box up here, you would write 49, or type 49/57. That would be your answer. Okay, give this a try and use some of the practice links and see how well you do. And you can work on this in the WAMAP regular exercises.